Prime Minister Narendra Modi met President Ramnath Kovind on Tuesday and briefed him on various issues, including the Ukraine crisis. The Indian Embassy in Ukraine on Tuesday asked stranded Indians in Kyiv to leave the capital city urgently. In an advisory, it asked the citizens to leave Kyiv by available train or any other means. India saw a single-day rise of 6,915 coronavirus infections, taking the country's total tally of cases to 4,29,31,045. The Ministry of Home Affairs will hold a meeting with Assam and Meghalaya governments on March 9 to finalize the border agreement on the 6th of the 12 areas of differentiate between the two states. This was informed by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Mahashivratri is being celebrated across the country today. Devotees worship Lord Shiva, the destroyer of evil, on this occasion.